I just gotta finish his one foot. And his hands. I didn't film me making this thing because I've done 3 in a row and I don't want to, you know, so this is a short video just to say this is Punky. His name is Punky. And if you want to make one similar or one like it and you don't know how to do it, I can't say you don't know how to do it, but just go back a couple of videos and hopefully it's all there for you. Give us my socks! Give us my socks! Come on then. Coming out. Hey! Right, come on, sure, let's go. Ta-da! Ta-da, we're going now. Come on, Troy. Where's the biscuits? Where's the biscuits, sir? Right. Right. Leave a look as well, huh? So you don't want a biscuit then? Oh, drop them now, is it? Drop them now.
You are Troy. What do you want? You want to sit? You want to be gentle?
No, if I can have your finger as well, I'll have your finger as well. Yeah, try. Come on, we're going to have a first day photograph. Well, there you are, we just arrived, and as you can hear, he's in there, he's working. Some people don't understand that word, but you know, this is the weekend, people don't work on the weekends. I didn't want to scare you, sneak up behind you, even though I did think about it. Well, that's fucking lovely. Oh, yeah. Because the world is round, it turns me on. Because the world is round. Do 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 do. So see, even John Lennon knew the world was round, so you know he was always right, wasn't he?